May the 5th. Judgment on the abyss of love. For the time is come that judgment must begin at the house of God. 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 17. The Christian worker must never forget that salvation is God's thought, not man's. Therefore, it is an unfathomable abyss. Salvation is the great thought of God, not an experience. Experience is only a gateway by which salvation comes into our conscious life. Never preach the experience. Preach the great thought of God behind. When we preach, we are not proclaiming how man can be saved from hell and be made moral and pure. We are conveying good news about God. In the teachings of Jesus Christ, the element of judgment is always brought out. It is the sign of God's love. Never sympathize with a soul who finds it difficult to get to God. God is not to blame. It is not for us to find out the reason why it is difficult, but so to present the truth of God, that the Spirit of God will show what is wrong. The great sterling test in preaching is that it brings everyone to judgment. The Spirit of God locates each one to himself. If Jesus ever gave us a command he could not enable us to fulfill, he would be a liar. And if we make our inability a barrier to obedience, it means we are telling God there is something he has not taken into account. Every element of self-reliance must be slain by the power of God. Complete weakness and dependence will always be the occasion for the Spirit of God to manifest his power.